Welcome to CoSpacesEDU. I'll be introducing you to the basics of CoSpacesEDU, and you'll get to be creative and make your own virtual world like this. Go to the CoSpaces tab, or Free Play, on the left, and then click Create CoSpace. There's a lot of environment types and spaces that you can create, but for now, choose 3D Environment and click on Empty Scene. Using your trackpad or mouse, you can click and drag the workspace so that you can see your CoSpace from different angles and positions. Try sliding 2 fingers forwards and backwards on your trackpad to zoom in and out like this. With larger objects, I find it easier to view them from farther away. Next, let's navigate to the bottom left corner menus and click on the Environment tab. From here, we can change our scene to something with more details. Try some different scenes and tinker with the filters and the effects. At any time while you're editing your space, you can click the play button in the top right corner. This lets you explore your space and the objects that you've included. Use the keyboard keys A, S, W, and D to walk. Your mouse click and drag helps you change the direction you're facing, and the space key is jump. Once you've had a chance to explore, press the back arrow to go back to the editor. Let's visit the Items library in the bottom left corner. There are hundreds of objects and characters that you can use while you're building your space. Find something you like and drag it onto the workspace. Notice that this menu pops up when you drop it into the space. There's a button to resize the object, another lifts it up and down, and you can even change the angle of it. If you tap on the object using 2 fingers on your trackpad, you get even more options. Every object has different options, but you can change things such as what it looks like, change its physics, such as friction or gravity, and you can even add custom animations for some objects. Use a variety of objects to make something creative. Pause here and take some time to tinker with the features that we've learned about so far. Share with your classmates the features that you discover on your own. Lastly, one of the most powerful features of CoSpacesEDU is the ability to code an object to be interactive. Characters can speak and move, for example, based on the instructions that you write for them with code. For this project, I could code the car to drive across the scene when I click on it. To do this, we'll need to tell CoSpaces that I would like to create code for the car. 2-finger tap on the car so that its menu shows, and click Code and enable it to use in CoBlocks. CoBlocks is the coding language used in CoSpaces. Next, click the Code button in the top right corner and select CoBlocks. If you've done other block coding activities such as the Hour of Code or Scratch, this should feel familiar. Start by choosing the yellow Events drawer. Find the block that says When Car is clicked, and drag it on and snap it to the other block like this. All the blocks that involve movement are in the Transform drawer. Choose the block that says Move Car 1 meter and attach it to the Event block. Make any edits that you like or that makes sense for your project, and now we're ready to give it a try. Press play. My car moves 5 meters every time I click on it. How could you add code to make the car come back or turn around in a circle? I hope you enjoyed getting started with CoSpacesEDU. Be sure to check out our other activity videos for recreating scenes from books, and there's even one for how to make a virtual Rube Goldberg machine. Be sure to share your CoSpaces with us, makers. Stay brilliant.